What's up guys, John the Diesel Man here, and I'm going to show you how to get to the water fuel separator on an Econoline Power Stroke model. If you got that water and fuel light on, or if you just want to see if there's some water in your fuel and get it drained out, this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you here. So get underneath your truck here, make sure you have a little bucket or something with you, okay? And this is pretty simple. Now on the F series it's going to be similar, a little different, but very similar. Follow your fuel lines coming up. Boom, boom, boom. They come right into your water separator housing, which is right, sorry guys, right here. Okay, get yourself some channel locks, something to grab onto it with, and just loosen it up. Yeah, the water's gonna start coming out. Get that water drained out. You don't want that water going into your engine. As soon as that water and fuel light comes on your dash, get under here and drain that water out. Look at that. That's either you got bad diesel fuel, or if you use the can and it had water in it, somehow you got water in your fuel. Gotta get it out. So drain her down. Do this a few times. Make sure that water and fuel light does not come back on. You do not want to run water into your injectors. And then tighten her back up and you're good to go. John the Diesel Man, please subscribe. Hope this helps. Econoline Power Stroke 6 liter.